All right. Here we go. Part number. All right. Part number 2. Exhaust leak on the truck. The exhaust leak was coming from this flexible pipe here. This flexible pipe goes between the turbo. It goes between the turbo outlet and it goes here, right there. So you got flexible pipe there, and that's what the problem was. I had a leak there in the truck. So if you have it doesn't matter if you got a Freightliner, whatever it is, if you got a truck and you are having an exhaust leak, look around and see if you having a problem. Look around your truck. Usually when it cranks up, you'll be able to see it, and just look around and see if you got a problem with your truck, exhaust fumes or whatever. You got fumes or black smoke. You usually the sign of it is black smoke. Is what it is. So this side of the engine's real clean. So I'm going to do that there, and I'll show you the after products of it. And like I said, always get new clamps. So I'm going to get started on that, and I'll show you all when I finish. Okay.